feels weird. Ew.
Don't waste it all.
I love you, Justin.
Let me try. I want to try.
Oh my god.
That feels weird in your throat. I know.
It's lighter than
air.
your oxygen.
Oh god.
Where is it?
Okay.
I'm scared. Am I gonna die?
Wait, out of my face.
Alright.
See it go. Just squeeze the balloon and suck it in.
You suck it in.
That's it.
Hi guys, how are you? Hi. I'm Peter Griffin.
I'm just kidding. That's funny.
There you go.
Ponle flash a esto. Ponle flash, que la última vez.
That is funny. I like how you do yours.
Hi, come here, Jose. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Let's make it a little bigger.
This is Matt inhaling some helium right now.
Dude, Jose too.
A cartoon.
Go
character.
fool.
Where is it?
There.
Now you have to say something
I made
funny.
it bigger.
There you
You
go.
get more. Right here.
Oh, okay.
Say something funny that you about nerds. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, I just shit my pants. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus. Someone help me. Why am I still talking like this? Not going away.
This is weird.
Good job.
No, I don't want to do it again. It feels weird in my throat.
Say something funny. God, that's a lot of sucking.
Oh my gosh, she's stuck in the whole balloon.
Oh my god. Jesus loves you. Jesus.
You good?
I'm good. Want to do SpongeBob?
Wait,
Kill the
where's the...
balloon. Kill the balloon, Matt.
SpongeBob SquarePants. Oh, you should sing SpongeBob.
SpongeBob, happy birthday balloon back at me.
Baby, I love you. I love you, baby.
I sing SpongeBob. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
I love you.
Matt, sing SpongeBob. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Or maybe I should put you a challenge song and sing it. One of those high songs. Hey, our song. Sing that one.
I just met you.
I'm scared it's gonna pop. Okay, no.
Are you inhaling it?
Okay, no more.
Hi, I just met you. This is crazy. Here's my number.
So call me, baby.
Who's Jose? Sing it.
Call me maybe?
Yeah.
Oh god. Where is it?
Right there.
Where?
It's little.
Jose.
Just go.
Oh, I see.
I want to do one more last thing. Watch. After Jose.
You want to do it again?
Yeah, watch what I'm gonna do.
Who lives it?
Oh, my bad. It's right here.
Hurry up, babe.
I need to make the hole bigger. There you go.
Hey, I just met you.
Doesn't work.
There you go, that was good.
Hey, I just met you. And this is crazy. Oh my god, this is weird.
I'm gonna be a psycho. Where is it?
A big hole.
Oh my god, people are like, what the hell?
Woodboard. Squeeze the whole bag.
This sounds so weird.
Oh my god.
We sound like Alvin and the Chimpmunks.
So listen to pineapple under the sea. SpongeBob SquarePants. Hi, I just met you, and this is crazy. So he's no longer. So come
She sounds like one of the chipmunks.
I know, she does.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants. No more. I still kind of have the voice. I feel weird. I feel weird too. My voice is still going just a little bit. Do you hear it? Or is it just me?
No, I hear it.
My voice is still going? Lord, how many minutes has it been?
Start coughing.
I'm good.
Okay, good.
No more coughing.
Okay.
My gosh.
No more
I
helium.
feel
Say
weird.
goodbye.
No more helium.
I'm
I'm
gonna
good.
sneeze,
I'm
man.
good.